Today's top news headlines. Two-day international seminar on bamboo plantation hardening and bamboo as earthquake-proof materials for construction begins in Imphal. Students of Dhanjam University staged protest on the university campus against non-release of scholarship for more than a year. And India records 937 fresh COVID cases along with 9 fatalities due to the infection in past 24 hours. Good evening, you're watching Pony TV Primetime English News at 6:30. I'm LAKSMIBAI THANGJAM. Now the news in details. A two-day international seminar on the theme Bamboo Plantation, Hardening and Bamboo as Earthquake-Proof Materials for Construction began at Imperial Hall in Classic Grande today. The seminar was organized jointly by Manipur University, Kanchipur, CSIR, NEIST, Lamphilpad and Apunba Imagi Macha Singh, AMS, Manipur. Organizing Committee Chairman Professor Naurem Mohilal Meitei, Manipur University Department of Life Science Professor K.S. Lal Bihari Singha, Bamboo Science and Innovation President Dr. Jinluk Koyomji, Mandalay, Myanmar's Irrawaddy Bamboo Association Professor Ong Meyend, Lieutenant General Retired Dr. Konsam Himalay, ICAR Research Complex for NEH Reason Joint Director Dr. I. Megachandra, Senior Principal and Scientist Dr. H. Bir Kumar Singh, External Affairs Minister Dr. R.K. Ranjan Singh, Department of Health Retired Additional Director Dr. S. Manikanta and AMS President Mayang Lambam Kelendro Singh all attended the opening program of the seminar. Addressing at the event, R.K. Ranjan said, "We have been using bamboo since our ancient time." He said that he feels proud to attend a seminar that has been organized in the aim of conserving bamboo that has been from our ancient time and had been helpful to us.
By that taking of part, that we have to need to find out or the link with we have to be interpreted through scientific interpretations. Most pertinent and effective war equipment was made up of bamboo, and that we call it arambai. Of course, during the 7 years devastations, Mr. Alumpia, the then army leaders, capture our Manipur, and they capture our peoples who are expert in different fields as a war prisoners. But there is a difference of war prisoner treatment in the Southeast Asia and the Western Asia.
Students of Dhanjam University staged a protest at the university campus today. During the protest, "Provide true cause for not releasing students' scholarship for more than a year, don't take students' rights, save the life of students" were the slogan shouted by the student protesters. Taking part in the protest, Dhanavir Moyangthem demanded an explanation of the true cause for delaying release of the scholarship for more than 2 years, stating that the students would otherwise continue protest in a more forceful manner.
Ministry of Social Justice and Monetary Affairs na tahi khuding October da form thajilaga mathangi next year gi March form da pithu on leriba scholarship sa ngasi akoi Manipur gi MOBC department na ngasi bo da satra sing scholarship sin se pithok tabagi dongta akoina ngasi akoi gi leriba marum pang sing amadi student sing sina marum kan da agitation sa tawjabne hariba agitation sida akoi tongan tongan ba department dai lakpa student sing sina pangthoi agitation sa satra mayam gi hak satra mayam gi incentive pi sing sa yarige athu matam da pithok piyo habdu ngasi fawda chahi ama hela fawda scholarship sing se pithok tabsina satra mayam se yamna achoba problem am lerpa satra mayam sing sina like tam da mateng oina bagi dang to pi scholarship se mamang chahi gi October tha ki form je thajila kan da handak chahi gi October tha yora fawda November yora fawda scholarship se chahi ama hela faw pirak taba adun man or kan satra sing je thengnariba khudong thiba khudong cha da mayam sina man or kan da ngasi College of Science ki satra sing sina Manipur gi leriba satra sing si gi muhut chela kan si da ngasi agitation si tawja.
RIMS Director Professor L. Ranjit inaugurated a police picket at RIMS IHBT Department Blood Bank under Lamphel Police Station today. The event was attended by RIMS Medical Superintendent Professor N. Sanjip and Imphal West District Superintendent of Police K.S.H. Sivakanta. Speaking at the event, L. Ranjit stated that police presence in the hospital is absolutely essential and also expressed his desire to have separate women police cell in order to prevent crimes against women in the hospital. He also praised the efforts of police personnel and wished them for more success in the future.
Police labor has hospital and they have put a challenging responsibility and duty in the hospital, and they will protect all the staff members of the institute, including doctors, nurses, and other staff members. Not only patient party, also they will protect. I am hygienic, but there are tens and hundreds of cases related with rape, sexual violence, dowry problems, and domestic violence, including cockshop. Women is just to facilitate filing of cases and also providing legal assistance to the victims of this particular type of cases. Other than that, we also need their valuable service for many other cases, including poisoning, besides burns and other injuries.
35th Foundation Day of Peace, Humanity and Social Development PHASD Club was celebrated at the club in Terrorism Mamang Leka yesterday. The celebration was attended by Lamsang AC MLA S. Razin, YAS Director T. Fulan Mite, PHASD Club's President PH Bimol, former Pradhan of Awangkuno Gram Panchayat TH Dwizamani, former Jila Parisad member Awangkuno JP N. Pramo, and Assistant Inspector of School John 1 Laisangthem Ibotumbi. Addressing at the occasion, Lamsang AC MLA S. Razin stated that he can't guarantee employment to every individual but has given government employment to few youths and will work to do so more. Speaking to the club, he added that everyone was aware of the efforts and dedication made by the club during the COVID epidemic and that the club's responsibilities were extensive and unending. As club is a voluntary activity, there is no personal benefit from it. He said it is a club that used to deal with any incidents in the community or village before the authorities. He said if the community has a good club and a great playground, there are definitely good youngsters there. Every village under Lamsang AC are developing under many developmental projects. The roads and canals in Terrorism have experienced several changes. He claimed that in the past, people were reluctant to identify as being from Terrorism and would pretend they were from Patsoi. But these days, it is proud to say from Terrorism. Prior to the Ningol Chakoba, 256 houses gained free access to all its pensions through the Go to Village initiative, he continued. Based on reliable information and the requisition of NIA Imphal, a combined team of CDO unit, NIA team and 4AR led by Imphal East OC KH Henry Singh conducted a counter-operation at Yangon-Pokpi Bazaar and arrested one active cadre of Manipur Naga People's Front MNPF on 5th November. The arrested person is identified as Machuk Ring Jamshim Simre, alias Ningkhan, aged 20 years, son of late Yangmi Jamsim Simre of New Kanan village. He joined the organization in the year 2016 through one Robert of MNPF and got his basic military training for 3 months at Tumol, Myanmar. The NIA requisition referred to the ambush to a convoy of 46 Assam Rifles on 13 November 2021 at S. Second Village, Singhat Subdivision, Churachandpur District, Manipur, which resulted in killing of several Assam Rifle personnel, including one commanding officer and some civilians. The arrestee is being handed over to NIA Imphal team for taking a further necessary legal procedure against him. Now let's take a short break. Keep watching.
Kasha Ventures Private Limited, Sky Fancy presents Northeast Aerosports Hot Air Balloons and Paramotors Fiesta 2023. India's first Aerosports and Hot Air Balloons Fiesta will be held in Manipur. This event will feature skydiving show, paramotoring, hot air balloons, cultural shows, food and fun fair, fashion event, experience rock concert to another height, and a lot of other exciting events. Come and experience the once-in-a-lifetime experience. Explore the hidden gem of nature, Loktak. Experience the ultimate sky high at Fiesta 2023, Manipur.
Welcome. After the break, you're watching Pony TV Primetime English News at 6:30. Students of the 3rd and 5th semesters of Don Bosco College Autonomous Maram Department of Education organized a one-day social awareness program at Wilong Kulen yesterday. During the event, THANGJAM Chikhainganba Meitei HOD Department of Education and Mairembam Sangita Devi Assistant Professor Department of Education and Evergrande Wangler Assistant Professor Department of Social Work Nomaikapam Soni Assistant Professor of Marang College and Sukham Premjit Advocate gave awareness to the villagers and the students on environmental issues and POCSO and IT related laws respectively. Through this awareness program, the villagers and students were benefited on environmental problems and its solutions. A 6-day training program for teachers on the topic of capacity building of the teachers organized by NALET Imphal and the District Skill Committee Coaching was launched today at Kokching Higher Secondary School. The training program was launched under the project Capacity Building in IECT, including training in digital skill sets and current industry, demanding technologies for various sections of society in the northeastern states. During the event, Deputy Commissioner Kokching Somojit Salam, Director of NALET Imphal and Devachandra, Kokching ZEO Y Achowa, Kokching Higher Secondary School, Principal Naurem Nomita, MGN Fellow Kokching Coordinator from Irom Abesana, Project Associate of NALET Imphal, L. Joy Singh, NALET Imphal Support Staff Sanasam Kunjarani Devi also attended the event. Teachers and advocates, according to Deputy Commissioner Somojit Salam, can't stop reading books. If the teacher doesn't read the book, what will they teach the students? Therefore, they should regularly update their knowledge, he added.
Doctor, engineer, CD, like Tamatokia, the like power to Kuya. From the like power, talk about Ozaduna, Chatra, the Kari, no one of Tato is in the like power, talk about Kill the Karino, Nova case, Nova command to a judgment, and Nova order, and Nova Tahibra, Madugi, and the country, Nasaka, I know was Hema, the country, Kari, Kilo, Durino. Aduga engineers ni chamane matam ga chunaba technology thorok matungina matam ga chunaba to technology ki matungina lambi thong building machine whatever sadori na do matam ga chunaba technology and mamadi matam ga chunaba advancement ji moi adum khanga layo ha.
A one-day career counseling workshop organized by Jeliangrong Evangelical Fellowship (JEF) was held today at the Tamenglong Indoor Stadium's multipurpose hall. Career counselor Silomi, Director SS Counseling Center, is the main resource person at the one-day career counseling program. She gave a speech on how to choose the right courses and career option. She also gave career options for PCB, PCM after class 12. She also gave career options for NEET, BMLT, B.Tech, BCA, BBA, Hotel Management. In today's event, more than 600 students registered at the one-day career counseling. The electricity infrastructure in the Nonne district is unreliable and susceptible to frequent outages as a result of its isolation from the rest of Manipur and its rough hilly terrain, which has an impact on the everyday life of the villagers who live there. The Tamenglong Battalion, under the aegis of IZAR East, initiated a project in New Nungnang village in Kopum subdivision in Nonne district with an aim of providing a renewable, perennial and eco-friendly means of power in the remote village. Solar lights have been provided as part of the AR Civic Action Program, which will give the isolated town cost-free access to consistent energy. The project was handed over to the villagers by the office commanding of Awangkul Post of Tamenglong Battalion yesterday. The Secretary and village authorities expressed their gratitude to the unit for providing means of renewable energy while at the same time ensuring safety and security in the region. A similar civic action project was handed over by the unit in Katang village of the Menglong district last week. Somsai Battalion Assam Rifles under the aegis of IZAR South commenced the training for Agnivir aspirants of Ukhrul district at Ukhrul COB on 7 November 2022. Earlier, these aspirants were trained for 8 weeks during July to August 2022. The training shall be undertaken for 2 weeks as a refresher training for the Agnivir aspirants under the Agnipat scheme. 108 aspirants from Ukhrul district are part of the pre-recruitment training. The training will assist the aspirants in building confidence and honing the skills for the recruitment rally scheduled on 24 November 2022 in Manipur state. The youth and their parents have extended their gratitude to Somsai B and Assam Rifles for organizing the pre-recruitment training and have urged to undertake more such initiatives. The parents of children and faculty members of respective schools appreciated the efforts of Assam Rifles in maintaining peace and tranquility in the region and requested to organize such sports events in future also. Sangsak Battalion under the aegis of IZAR South organized a mega sports meet at the Sangsak Ukhrul. 242 students from 6 schools are participating in the event that will continue till tomorrow. Opening ceremony was conducted today, which witnessed a huge response from the locals. Students representing their schools are participating with full zeal and enthusiasm. The event is aimed at promoting good relations and bonhomie amongst the Assam Rifles and the local populace. The students and other present were also educated on various career opportunities in the field of sports, both in forces and outside. Further, the parents of the children were made aware about the upcoming Sainik School and RIMC examinations and preparation required to avail the opportunities. All schools and colleges at Difu in Karbi Anglong district in Assam have been ordered to remain closed this week. The order to keep the schools and colleges at Difu in Karbi Anglong district in Assam closed this week has been passed due to outbreak of dengue in the town. In the last 5 days, over 270 cases of dengue were detected in Karbi Anglong district of Assam and orders set on Sunday. Preventive measures have been initiated against the impending epidemic. All educational institutions in Difu Municipal Board and Greater Difu town areas in Assam will remain closed from Monday to Saturday. According to National Health Mission (NHM), out of 285 dengue cases detected in Assam between November 1 and 5, Karbi Anglong logged at least 271. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has said that plans are in place for setting up of a medical college in Darang district of the state. The announcement was made yesterday while taking part in ceremonial Bhumi Pujan at the site for the upcoming Assam Skill University at Mangaldai in Darang district. Addressing a public meeting correlating with the Bhumi Pujan ceremony, the Assam Chief Minister exuded confidence that the Assam Skill University, when functional, would act as a catalyst in the endeavor of the current dispensation to transform Assam into one of the most progressive states on all fronts in the country. Referring to human resources as one of the most valuable wealth of a nation, he said that the upcoming Center for Imparting of Skill Training would contribute immensely towards the process of nation building by preparing skilled employment creators and employment seekers in conjunction with demand of time. He also promised to take up the demand for connecting Darang district with railway network with the central government. India recorded a total of 937 fresh COVID cases along with 9 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours, bringing the country's overall COVID tally to 4,46,61,516. According to the data shared by the Union Health Ministry, 1,252 have been recovered in the last 24 hours in India. The total death toll in India stands at 5,30,509. Out of the 9 fatalities, 7 were from Kerala, 1 each from Delhi and Odisha. The total active cases have declined to 14,515 in the country. The recovery rate is recorded at 98.78% as per the data. According to the Health Ministry, 219.73 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in the country so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines again. Two-day international seminar on bamboo plantation, hardening and bamboo as earthquake-proof materials for construction begins in Imphal. Students of Dhanamandjari University staged protest on the university campus against non-release of scholarship for more than a year. And India records 937 fresh COVID cases along with 9 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours. Thank you for watching Pony TV. For more updates, keep watching Pony TV and stay tuned.